Hello there, I'm Ari from Remote Pilots Australia. Please excuse the high-vis, I was flying today and I couldn't help but notice that you weren't there. Sucks to be you. Never mind, I'm pleased to be able to share with you that starting this weekend, the first weekend in May 2019, we're going to commence live streaming on YouTube. The first day each week is going to be Mondays in Australia at 10 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time or 8 a.m. Australian Western Standard Time, which in the US is between 8 p.m. on the East Coast and 5 p.m. on the West Coast. An hour earlier in Alaska, that's of course on Sunday, and in the UK that's midnight Sunday, so it's one for the night owls. The second day is going to be Thursday in Australia, so at 8 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, which is 6 p.m. Australian Western Standard Time. And in the US, that's going to be between 5 a.m. on the East Coast and 3 a.m. on the West Coast, so you'll want to be keen. And those in the UK, that's going to be Wednesday at 10 a.m. Also for those in the US, it's on Wednesday as well, because we're ahead of everybody here in Australia. Subjects are going to be mostly related to drones, but fairly wide-ranging. We do get a little bit of tomfoolery. Join us if you like your drones and a laugh. And if you'd like to join us on the panel, please make sure that you have a working microphone, preferably a camera, Google Chrome, and Hangouts. There's only two rules, which is no religion, and the second one is be nice. Whatever you want to discuss, be nice about it. If other people don't want to, please move on. I'm looking forward to seeing you there, and take care.